If you have an e-commerce website and you don't want your performance max campaign to start serving your advert on display network, Gmail, Discover, YouTube, Maps, and so on, the information in this video will help you to set up your advertisement to serve only on Google Shopping and Google Search. As you can see right here, this particular campaign has been serving advert on the display network as well as YouTube. But unfortunately, display network and YouTube are not giving me conversion in this particular campaign, and that is the reason why I want to stop serving the advert on those channels. So what I will do now is I'll go back to the campaign right here. This is the campaign, and then I will go straight to the asset group. So let's go ahead and click on the asset group right here. So right here I have two asset groups. The first one is all, and that is the one that have the asset that served on the display network and YouTube. However, I've currently paused it. So the next one is the feed only asset, and that is the one I want to serve only on Google Shopping and Google Search. So if you want to create this, what you have to do is just to go ahead and click on new asset. So now the asset has loaded. The next thing is I will not be adding anything. I just want to go ahead and use my product feed to serve my advert on Google Shopping and Google Search. So I will go to the bottom a little bit. I will go ahead and remove this URL right here. So I will go to the next step. I'll click on skip. So now I've skipped that. I will go ahead and remove the URL here again. Then I will go to the next step right here. If there's any other thing that has been selected right in this asset group, I will go ahead and remove all of them. I don't want to select anything. So I will go straight to the bottom, and then I will make sure that I have removed everything in this asset group. So once I've removed everything in this asset group, I will go ahead and click on save. So when I click on save, it means that I have created a new asset group without asset. But that is not the end. I'm going to show you something very important, because if you create a new asset group with feed only without turning off a particular setting in your campaign settings, you will realize that Google will continue to serve your advert on those channels, and you might not be getting the desired result you want for this particular campaign. So that is why I will go ahead and show you the settings right now. But I don't need this particular asset group. I already have feed only asset in this particular campaign. So let's off this and go ahead and look at the settings in this particular campaign. So let's go to the setting right here, and then we go to the bottom on the settings page. I will show you exactly what you need to turn off if you have not done that for your account. So now in the settings page, we go to the bottom right here. We look at asset optimization. So you click on it. You can see right now I've turned it off, but in most cases you will have it turned on by default. So if you click on it, you will see the options available. We have text, we have image, and we have video. So if you click on it right here, by default there's possibility that this one will be selected and this one as well. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and remove it one after the other. You do the same thing for the image, and you do the same thing for the video. So once you have turned off that, what you have just done is you have encouraged Google not to create any asset for your asset group in this campaign. But if you do not do that, Google can go ahead and create all of those assets for your asset group, and the implication is that your advert can start serving on those channels you don't want your advert to serve in the first place. Let me go ahead and show you something right here again. Let's go ahead and look at the asset details for one of the campaigns I have right in this account. So let's go ahead and look at this campaign right here. So now I've opened the campaign. Let's go ahead and look at the asset details. So the asset details will show us the available asset for that asset group. So right now you can see, you are seeing right here we have this asset. Now let's move to the right here. You see this asset was created automatically by Google, and the reason why this is possible is because I have not turned off the settings in the campaign settings. So once you turn off the settings in the campaign settings, what you have just done is that Google will not be able to create this type of asset for your asset group. So what I will do now is I will go ahead and remove this right from this asset group. So once I remove it and turn off the settings, I will no longer have to worry about Google creating asset for my asset group. So that is what you have to do if you want to run your ads on Google Shopping and Google Search, and this way you will likely get more conversion from your advertisement than when your advert starts serving across all the channels on Google's network. That is what I have for you right in today's video. So if you have any question about it, feel free to ask in the comment section, and don't forget to like the video. Thanks again and bye for now.